hiring us underneath a comprehensive contract allows them to really not have to worry about what's going on in the building.
I can walk up to the customer, hey, this is what I took care of for you, it's all taken care of, and they know that there's no money coming out of their pocket.
As a public official, we have very detailed type bids for our request for proposals, and I'm always pleased when reputable companies bid on our projects and also win it financially. I think the icing on the cake with the Baker Group is that they've come in on time and on budget and the service that we expected.
They know every year what their budget's going to be for the mechanical system maintenance, whether it's repair or preventive maintenance. When we do that, it offers them two major things. It offers them budget stability, and it offers them really limited to no downtime.
It's a feeling of kind of like ownership of their equipment. I know that this needs done, or some other damage can happen down the road in the future. And so that's what makes it really awesome to have that kind of a contract and a relationship with the customer.
What's really cool, I think, about Baker Group is everybody is willing to help you.
There's a lot of knowledge at Baker Group, which is really awesome. There's so many different types of systems out there that it's really hard to master them all. So at Baker Group, there's just a wealth of knowledge there that somebody's going to know an answer for you and have an answer for you to solve a problem and get a customer taken care of. And that's what's really great.
We're a company that takes care of people. The fact that we do it as a mechanical contractor is just the mode of how we take care of people.